Compressible flow, question number 4. An observer on the ground finds that an airplane flying horizontally at an altitude of 2,500 meters has traveled 6 kilometers from the overhead position before the sound of the plane is first heard. Assuming that overall the aircraft creates a small disturbance, estimate the speed at which the airplane is flying. The average air temperature between the ground and the altitude at which the airplane is flying is 10 degrees Celsius. Explain the assumption you have made in arriving at the answer. So, from the question, we know that the altitude is 2500 and it's traveled 6 kilometers. And then the medium here is air, so we could use the common K and the common R for A. So first we could calculate the speed of sound by using this equation, and we substitute the value of 283 Kelvin because the temperature on that situation is 10 degrees Celsius, and then we could get that the speed of sound is 337.2 meter per second. So from the altitude and the length, we could calculate the value of tangent alpha, and tangent alpha here, and alpha is equal to 22.62 degree. So by using this equation, we could find that Mach number is 2.6. However, this question asks for the velocity of that airplane. So by using this equation, we could calculate that the velocity of airplane is 876.7 meter per second.